Jody 43, this is where you wanna be. Everything from eating food to a little poetry. It might be serious, it might be comedy. After you watch, just subscribe to me. Double tap that button, like that post. Giving out game, you should take notes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. Hey, what it do, J43 crew? Your girl is back, and she's here with another one. But this time it's about Black History Month. You know, it is February, so we should celebrate it from the 1st to the 28th. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you three well-known people that you should know your history about. It's gonna be Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, and Rosa Parks. So let's start with Rosa Parks. First question. The seat that Rosa Parks sat in, was it for A, white people, or B, colored people? Question number 2. When Rosa Parks was found guilty, how much was she fined? Was it $5, $10, $12, or $15? Question number 3. African Americans had to pay their fare and at the front of the bus, get off and reboard at the back of the bus. Is that true or is that false? Okay, we're moving on to Malcolm X. First question. What was Malcolm X arrested and convicted on? Was it burglary, violence, arson, or murder? Question number 2. How long was Malcolm X sentenced to go to prison for? Was it 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, or life? Question number 3. Who assassinated Malcolm X? Was it Ku Klux Klan, Nation of Islam, a group of white people, or Donald Trump? Moving on to Martin Luther King. First question. What was Martin Luther King's first name? His real first name. Was it Martin, Michael, Marcus, or Matthew? Second question. How many books did Martin Luther King write? Was it 3, 6, 4, or 5? Question number 3. At what age did Martin Luther King win the Nobel Peace Prize? Was it 30, 35, 36, or 40? Well, that concludes the Black History questions. So I hope you guys know your history, and I hope you guys got it correct, because it is coming with a prize. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna total it up, but you have to leave your answers in the comments, because that's how I'm gonna know who gets the prize. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, so every time your girl uploads, you get to watch.